Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is just a normal regular process video. I joined Paige Evans on one of her crops that she did, like a class or whatever. And that was the layout that was exclusive to this. And I purchased it and got all of the goodies and all of that. And of course, I follow it, but I always put my spin on it myself. So really, truly, I took some inspiration from it and made it my own. Now, I am going to say that my next few videos that will be up on my channel will be a little bit crazy. One of my students, God, I love him to death. He was super duper excited to go and go to recess because, you know, he wanted to do his... He had to use the restroom and he hits me, and as he was coming out of the bathroom, he didn't do it on purpose and he smacked me and my phone flew out of my hand and cracked the screen. So now I'm waiting on getting the screen fixed, and we're trying to find the screen for it because I love Verizon and all because I have really awesome coverage with them, but the screen there's some funky stuff that's in the screen that you need a true Verizon screen to fix, and the mobile center that I go to fix our phones and stuff, because you know it's like literally like technology now, right? You get a brand new phone or a brand new piece of technology, and you know it comes with that price tag and you don't want to just change it. So it was cheaper for me to get a screen for it, but they ordered the screen in. We were able to do all of that. You know, we were able to get all the new screens in, but it did not recognize the network. And so they put in 2 new screens and they're like, well, it's not recognizing the like the network to Verizon. And we're like, well, what the heck? So they put my old screen back in and realized that it recognizes it. So Verizon went back to, if you fix a screen, you need a Verizon part instead of, you know, going to like mobile centers. So they're still going to help me out. But in the meantime, I get some craziness. So bear with it. Once I get it fixed, you won't even realize it. I'll be back to my old videos and stuff, you know, like as normal. But the student felt super duper 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 bad, and I was like, you know, I told him, I should say, I said, it wasn't your fault. You didn't know that I was right there, and you know, it just happens that way, right? So I had to go back and get my other phone out because with the new technology out there, there's a thing that's called ghosting, and it ghost texts. Like, it called random people and starts video chatting with people. So I had to, like, I can put it on airplane mode and use it at home for like doing videos and stuff. And so that's why you can still see that it's like my new style yet, and that's fine. But I had to pull up my other phone and use my old phone and put all of everything back on there because it's not working right. So yeah, that's where I'm at. And when this goes up, I think I'm going to place this probably after, one of my videos. I think my off the board is actually first and then this one. So hopefully by then I'll have some more information and you'll find out what's going on. But yeah, so here it is. We're almost done with school. I know that my off the board is going to be up probably first, but when I do this voiceover, I'm not quite done with school. I got about 2 more days left, and then 2 teacher days, and then I get about a week and a half off, and then I start summer school, or we call it extended learning because anybody and everybody can do the extended learning this time due to you know, how the way the craziness was of COVID and all that. So yeah, so this is a photo of me. Obviously, I did about a week ago or 2 weeks ago, I did the black and white version of this one. So now I'm doing the colored one. And like I said in that video, I said I was going to use this one like side by side. I wanted these two side by side because I truly love how this looks, and I wanted to just add my two favorite companies that I love, which is Paige and obviously that other one was Jen Hadfield, and place these side by side because I absolutely love, I love, the collections, and I just love this photo. Like, this photo is like amazing. So I'm going through the embellishments now with the class that I took. It came with a couple of different products, and I've already got these, but I didn't get the 6x8 paper pads, and that's what I used to back my photo on. But I didn't use as much of the collection that I have, but I know that this is one of my favorite collections that Paige has come out with. I just absolutely love how it looks. It's super gorgeous and super amazing. And yeah, so I get everything glued down and that I want to put on there, and then I come in with my title, and my title is going to be Wander, because I feel that Wanders, because I feel with this, I feel like, you need to pick yourself up. This is a photo of me. As I said in the other one, I think this was when I was done with school and I came from work or something like that. And, sometimes you doubt yourself, right? And, I'm learning a lot more about myself because, my husband's deployed. I've got, I haven't really truly come out and say like a lot about my daughter and like what's going on with her. I'm waiting to hear what the final word is, but there's, things like that's going on. And sometimes as a mom, a wife, a woman in this industry, and just in general, that you doubt yourself a lot, right? And I feel like sometimes we put ourselves on this pedestal and you've got to keep yourself there. And I show and I say everything. I do a lot about what I do and I say a lot about it, and I'm kind of an open book. But I do hesitate a lot. I want everything to be perfect, but yet I know that everything's not perfect. I know I'm not perfect. I will be the first to tell you that. I'm a different style of a teacher. I am one of them that does every once in a while, say words that I shouldn't say, not at school by any means, but just in general. And I'm flexible seating, and then I've got this, and then, my husband's military. And so I've got that persona, and I don't ever change myself. And I'm finding that the people that's the closest to me are really knowing that it's okay. So that it's okay to show the side that you're struggling, because we all struggle, and it doesn't matter what the struggle is. And I have to grow from that. And when I'm like stuck, I don't know where to go. I don't know where to reach out, because I'm such an independent person. And so these two photos remind me a lot that it's okay to struggle. It's okay to reach out, and it's okay to not know what the heck you're doing. And so this reminds me of that. And it is colorful. I wanted it colorful, but I wanted it to still be a page of mine and my feeling behind it. And I'm not journaling on this because I don't want to journal on this. Ultimately, because I've got the video and I've got my words on the video to go by it. So that's why I kind of did the way I did this and how I wanted this done. And I wanted those good feeling type layouts to go with it, or like sayings to go with it, because I know the meaning behind this photo. So here I come in with 2 spritz for this collection, or for this layout. I sprayed it on the bottom and then on top. And the still shots are coming up. I hope that you enjoy this layout and my chit chat like I always do. I hope you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day. I hope your summer's going to be amazing, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.